Hey everybody, Danny here with Danny Murphy and Associates at First Team Real Estate. The team and I are here today at one of our new listings in the Huntington Beach tract. This is an awesome house. We're at 8561 Pierre Drive here in Huntington Beach, and this is, as you can see, it's a 3-car garage. But first I want to talk about what we're doing. We're doing tacos today. So for the next couple hours, Los Mojicos Tacos are going to be here cooking up their magic tacos, beans, rice, all the yummy salsas. We got 3 different types of meat. I think a little chicken and
chicken asada and al pastor.
I mean, come on, what else could you ask for? So if you want to host a party, have something fun going on, check these guys out. Their phone number and their Instagram, Facebook handles are over there, so you can reach out to them. But you can't miss us. You're going to smell it. So again, 3-car garage, about a 2,700 square foot lot, interior tract location. We're real close to a park and the elementary school, which is awesome. The house is never been on the market. The homeowners lived here since the beginning, and now it's time to sell it. But it's a really beautiful house. You can see as you come in, you got soaring high ceilings, plantation shutters, dual pane windows throughout, scraped ceilings, recessed lights, just really big, nice. It's 5 bedrooms, all bedrooms upstairs, but there's definitely an opportunity to do a bedroom downstairs. Kitchen was probably updated about, I'd say 12, 15 years ago, but some new cabinet space, newer appliances, got a nice dining area and then a formal sort of dining area in there. Sliders off to the backyard, sorry Wade, sliders off to the backyard. And then down here, you got to try and follow me around, which isn't easy. New ceiling fans, you got 2 fireplaces, so a fireplace in there and then a fireplace here. What's killer is some people have built this into another bedroom down here. You got a 3-quarter bath with a shower, separate laundry room that leads off to the 3-car garage. Great backyard, so super private, quiet. You got a resurfaced patio here, nice sized backyard, quiet. Great place for kids to play, hang out, barbecues, all that good stuff. As you head back inside, little dry bar area. Like I said, real wood floors throughout the house, and just a really nice finishes. And then you'll notice upstairs you've got the 5 bedrooms, so we'll go check those out. Notice again the high ceilings here, Wade, as we cruise up. New light fixtures throughout. You'll see that we've got a new dual sinks here in the hallway closet, or bathroom. Closet, whatever, you know how it is. And then the master bedroom, all the bedrooms have new carpet. We've got a bathroom with dual sinks, and you got a step-in shower. You got 2 closets, one of which is a walk-in closet. So really a cool house. Great for families, great neighborhood, great schools. We're listed for $1,750,000. So if you want to come on out today, please do. We'll be here from 12 to 4. Like I said, killer tacos downstairs. So if you have any questions, reach out to us on social media or call or text, whatever's easiest. And we hope to see you either here today, 12 to 4, or tomorrow from 12 to 4 as well. Thanks.